I'm Jared Pearce, Murray Irrigation's Head of Water Delivery. So the bathymetric survey and the area photography is a component of the asset condition assessment framework. So they're enablers to be able to essentially pick up the condition of all of our asset base. The pickup will take a couple of months, and then we've probably got 12 to 18 months worth of desktop assessment to go through the data and do the assessments. Yeah, this is the first time MIL's gone into this technological space, really exciting. The photogrammetry will be on the full 4,000 kilometres for the channels and the drains. So we pick up the same data with the photogrammetry in a dry drainage channel as we do with the bathymetrics in the full supply channel, so we don't have to drain and cause interruption to operations.
My name is Zach Clinton. I'm a mechanical engineer with Becker. Becker are a multidisciplinary professional services company, so 100 years of pedigree in New Zealand, 50 years of pedigree in Australia, so delivering a range of different projects focusing on asset management and engineering services. We've delivered those for the water industries, so we've delivered projects similar to this across a variety of different networks and industries. However, this is the first time in this area, in the Murray Irrigation area, that we've actually utilised the emerging technology such as drones. So we're using aerial photogrammetry above to capture all the profiles of the assets from above, but also using a bathymetric drone to capture the channel profiles. We're very excited to work with Murray Irrigation to deliver this solution for the community.
This is the biggest one-off condition assessment we've ever done. So one of the other parts of the data is that we'll have a comprehensive defect list come out of this work as well, which will help inform those asset management plans that then go into our forecasts and understand that long-term costs of the assets.
G'day, my name's Ben. We're in Denny Aerodrome. My job up here is to fly these aircraft. We've got two aircraft, 1980 model Cessna 182s. They've been modified for camera work. We've got holes in the bottom of the aircraft through which we take photos. Those photos are stitched together to form a 3D model of the entire Murray Irrigation canal network. And once those photos have been stitched together and form what's called an ortho photo, we will also make a 3D model of it. We pass that information on to the engineers at Becker. That data gets then turned into 3D models that they can interrogate and look at the asset management and their asset identification. The terrain is beautiful to look at from the air, but we're fairly busy concentrating up there, flying around following the canals. We fly 1,000 feet above the terrain, and our heights don't change much, but certainly a lot of manoeuvring around to follow the canals.
Hi, my name's Richard. I'm from Veris, currently doing the bathymetry survey of the channels. So this is what we call a USV, so it's an unmanned vehicle that has a sonar on board and it's able to measure underneath the water to get a surface profile of the channels. So today we're putting it in the water and we're taking measurements every 0.2 of a second, so we're getting quite a lot of information. And from that we can generate a surface tin underneath, and from that we'll be able to determine any discrepancies in the channel or any places that need to be looked at further. This boat is equipped with what we call a single beam echo sounder, so it's like a sonar. So it sends down sound waves to the bottom and records the position via GPS, which we have on the boat. It's also got temperature sensors on there. Something like this, it's easy for a two-man operation or even a single person, where we can put it in, don't have to enter the water, we can do it safely from the bank and survey quite large areas in a rapid amount of time.
So traditional engineering approaches to these problems are time-consuming, costly, and sometimes being consistent because you've got different people doing different aspects over multiple years. So this is really a benchmark point in time. It can be done consistently, quite quickly, efficiently, which obviously reduces the cost.